Hey everybody, we're going to talk now about the Earth Camp. That is a fantastic experience and a fantastic opportunity for your kid or children to connect with nature. So there's a lot of cool activities. At Able, we have three pillars. One is social emotional learning. Is learning how to listen to one another, how to be a leader, how to respect. It's how to develop social and emotional skills to thrive in the society. Because in the past, a lot of people, they were just accumulating intellectual things, right? Repetition, memorization. That's how education was. Now it's much better than that. And we have the challenge of new technology. So memorizing things now and learning how to make one calculation here, there, in my opinion, is not that meaningful because you can ask a chat or AI and it will solve that thing for you. But you need to have the critical thinking to make sure that that answer is right? Otherwise, you're gonna convert inches and centimeters and make your project to blow. So the social emotional learning teach us to work with one another. The project-based learning, they learn us to observe things, to communicate, to collaborate, and to solve problems. And we always make kids curious in our activities. For example, there is this scorpion that glows in the dark. So if you put a UV light in the scorpion, it glows in the dark and it's fascinating. Why? Do you know? So check out, go Google or ask ChatGPT, why does the scorpion glows in the dark? And this is the kind of hook we give to children. In the Earth Camp, we do this with microgreens. We do this visiting a cave or going to a waterfall or opening a geode. Like, what is inside this geode? Is it a crystal? Purple? Pink? White? So kids, they have this excitement, and then we empower them to be brave enough to solve those problems. And in the try and error, which usually happens, right? You don't succeed in a first try. You need to have persistence and confidence. You develop critical thinking because you eliminate those things that doesn't work and you focus on what is bringing good results. And gardening, harvesting food is amazing because there's always a new challenge. There's always a new season, right? There's this time when it's winter and you cannot even plant anything because there's snow in Sweden. In Vietnam, there's this rain. You know, if you watch the movie Forrest Gump, I remember there was rain and rain and rain. I live in Thailand. I think that we have a lot of rain here in the rainy season. But you cannot really grow food in those seasons. I mean, you can grow pumpkins and other, but not really salad or let's say Mediterranean food, which as an expat living in Thailand, I love to eat. So you develop this critical thinking. And the earth, as Leonardo da Vinci says, nature is the noblest teacher, the wisest and noblest. And I think there's some truth there. And I think that with the right educators, with the right friends, kids, they will learn how to thrive and how to take care of the planet. Because we also use the Natural Geographic framework, which teach us to take care of our changing world, to see the interconnection in between the human world, that the things we build, and the natural world that is like the nature around us. Besides that, we have this fantastic visit to a cave, and we put the rocks, the minerals in a tumbler. We see the effect of time over and over and over, and how beautiful something can be because you don't give up, but keep on going. This is an invitation for you. Let's get together to make the world a better place. Together we can do that. We are able to make it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We have videos from the other elements, so if you like this, just subscribe, click the like button, and see you in the next time.